Again, I see you again. You're welcome. Okay. Oh, this one you are the first to make comment today. Again, this one you're first person to make comment to join me. I see you. You're welcome. Mazikai report. That's Nelson Mark. Olewo Yisi Keije. Ane Buba. Okay, goes that. Henry is here with us. Good morning to you, Mr. Henry. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Okay, this is a late hour. I just want to do one or two things based on what YETUltra is doing at the moment on our platform, and we are going to talk about something about this. It's the insecurity that Ngozi Olabese is causing. about the insecurity that she's causing, according to Lazuba Republic and people like her. There are many, you know them anyway. They are few in number, but they act as if there are many. So, without wasting much of your time, please like the video, of course. Nwaibo, I see you. Nwaibo, I see you. Nwaibo, Lewe, Keija. Greeting. So someone said, good evening, Biafrans. Okay, good evening to you. Gerard is here. Gerard Godwill. I see you, Gerard. Good evening here, brother. Good evening to you. All right, please do me a favor, like the video. This is 3 minutes of the program. So I think because this is late hour, we are not going to wait for long, like we normally do, like 3 minutes, 10 minutes, some case. So we're going to start without wasting much of your time. And you can as well share it. Good morning from Germany. Good morning to you, Amy. The German machine. I see you. You're welcome. All right. I think I need to start with this one before we go to Lazuba's program. Before we go there, I need to, because I have to react on it quickly, because she's causing a lot of. She's saying on something that is not good. If you are from Igbo land, you know better. But let me just leave it there. Let's go to the insecurity that USB government is causing. USB government and Ngozi Olabese, according to YETUltra, is causing. How she's creating insecurity, recruiting people, and they put so much not on the matter. This is one of it. And credit to the source, our brother Okocha says something here, and Okocha.
This is the afternoon of Saturday, the 25th day of October 2025. Listen. How many of you remember Mbala Agba? Whether it's Agba or Agba is spelled A-G-W-A, but they call it Mbala Agba.
Please, if you are in a WhatsApp group, help me share this video. Should I just share it myself? Hold on, let me share it. Because I don't know how many of you that are in the group. So let me just do it myself. Just a moment, give me time. And if you're in any WhatsApp group or any platform of anywhere you belong, you can as well share it. Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere. Just share it. It won't cost you anything. And I actually need to share this also on my Twitter. I salute you, Mr. Kai Reports. I see you. Akumiroyi. Again, Kai. Akumiroyi. I greet you. So just a moment. Let me share it on Twitter. Just a moment. Let me share it on Twitter before we continue. As you are joining us, please hit the like button. We are trying to let people know that we are live. Although it's unannounced, I did not tell anybody that I'm coming live, but it doesn't matter. Anybody that will watch, those that are free that want to watch will watch. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for waiting. Now, watch.
That is that place that they have this oil palm,
Let's start from beginning.
This is the afternoon of Saturday, the 25th day of October 2025. How many of you remember Mbala Agba? Whether it's Agba or Agba, it's spelled A-G-W-A, but they call it Mbala Agba. That is that place that they have this oil palm, plantation in Imo State. So I made a video about 2 months ago. Is it up to 2 months? It's not up to 2 months. So that day I was talking about the oil companies in the land, and the government did not tie the place and so on and so forth. They just come take their oil, explore their oil. All the companies are in the land. We have about, there are about 7 oil wells, if I'm not mistaken, in that community. But their roads, majority of their roads are not motorable and so on and so forth. So that day, I also explained that they are all these, invaders, the militias, the bandits in the community. But the Imo State government and the federal government, as usual, you don't expect them to fight these people. So after that day, I saw some comments. People are saying, no, it's not true. It's not true, this and that. So until, today, this thing happened yesterday, and they sent this video to me today. Listen to what this guy went through.
It's a happy birthday to me. Somebody help me and say happy birthday. And help me and thank God for saving my life today. I'm just coming out from death on my birthday. Shit. Look at the road. We were kidnapped. Fulani herdsmen. All armed. Look at me. Look at me. All armed. In this road, they kidnapped our motor. Coming back from Ewori. The Omako. They kidnapped us.
Okay. This is the news. This guy on his birthday was kidnapped. Reason why I'm playing this is for you to understand the names he mentioned. I have not seen anyone kidnapped in Igbo land. Please, I stand to be corrected in case if you have seen. Have you seen any person that been in kidnapped tent? Their tent, like their hideout. Both those of them have paid ransom, or those that managed to escape. Have you seen anybody kidnapped? And it happened to be that the people that kidnapped them are Igbo youth, like Igbo people. If there's anyone like, if there's anything like that, it is just maybe 2%. When a bishop was kidnapped, he told us Fulani. The sister that was kidnapped, Fulani. The one I played last time in Anambra State, where do you remember the video that I told you that the girl confirmed that her late brother was asked to sleep with her, and the brother refused, and they butchered the guy. The video that the Jovika was titled Ibolani, which I have used here several times. The girl mentioned who? Fulani. when our brother here, Oluchua God, confirmed the same thing, his own siblings was kidnapped by who? Fulani. This is another one. Then you see people telling you, I'm not saying that our people don't commit crime. I'm not saying that our people are free of crime. No. But this idea of Igbo people committing it, Igbo people are the one behind it, is shocking. Very, very shocking. And that is why I want you to listen to the what this guy went through. He's the one giving the news, reporting direct. This one is not about somebody said. He's the one that encountered them. They captured him and other people. Hear his story though. Uncle Tell, I see you. Welcome.
We were entering inside the bush.
Peter,
Hey God. They took us inside the bush. As we were entering, we were just lined up. And I don't know what came over me. And something said, run. I saw a trackway and I took off. I ran. 2 other guys followed me suit. We ran inside this thick forest. We're running. We ran. Look at my body. Look at me. My zipper, everything. How I managed to get to a safe place, maybe. The forest was too thick. It was too thick. We got to that place, and I don't know. We stopped. The other guy, we were 3. One, we missed him. I don't know the path he followed. The 2 of us. For remaining the 2 of us, we got to a place. Everywhere was so quiet. We just stayed there. And after a while, I gassed out. The other guy left. I gassed out. When I got myself, I rose up and started tracing my way. Just moving until I was hearing a sound of bike passing. I traced to the road. Look at it. It's a very lonely road. This is in between Awa and Dobokofia. Somebody say thank you Jesus for me. I would have been a dead person on my birthday. Glory to God. Thank you, God.
So as you can see in this video, I have, I made confirmation to it. Don't forget that I have people from that particular community, okay? So I know every single thing going on in that community. Now, how do you fight these people who are in your community? These people, they were also in my community. I think that was about 6-7 months ago. But the first thing you do when these people come to your community is your ability to identify these people without playing politics with it. Now, if the councillors, the local government chairman, the House of Assembly members, senator representing these people, and also their governor, Hope Uzodinma, are downplaying the invasion of these people because of political reason, these people are going to overrun everybody in the town, everywhere. I am not saying this because of anything. It is going to happen. Also save this video, because then I will tell you that I told you that Imo State will be overrun. Okay. Now, you will see all those military fights against people in Ono, so on and so forth. I want to give you a direction to follow. Listen, I'm going to leak a secret to you. Anytime you see the Nigerian army or Nigerian security agencies, when they completely leave, like, not completely, but they stop all this their fight and they leave Imo State, know that these invaders, the bandits, is about to overrun the town. I want you to save this video, okay? Because I am going to remind you as usual. Remember that last 2 months, I have been warning about these people. I said these people are already in the town there. So I'm still telling you that once you see these soldiers, maybe they come out, they say, we are withdrawing our troops from Ondo. Everywhere is now calm. We have defeated this, defeated that. Know that these bandits are about to invade cities. I mean cities, not in the villages that they are now. They are going to come out in the city and they will lay siege on everywhere. You will understand that churches, markets will be bombed in Imo State. These are the things that are going to happen. How do you come to know this, Okocha? Now, like I do say before, you see, the insecurity situation in Nigeria is not a rocket science. What do I mean? These people operate in a safe haven. They are celebrities everywhere they go. The government knows them. The DSS knows them. The military knows them. Your government officials are aware of their movement, are aware of, whatever they do. So, their movement is not hidden. If these people tell you, like, let me give you an example for you to understand what I'm saying. When they were coming to kill about 200 people on Christmas Eve 2023, they wrote a letter. Do you understand the audacity? They wrote a letter to the people that we are coming to kill you. So those people forwarded the letter to the DSS, to the military. But for you to understand the level of collusion, so the people now came, the villagers started calling the military, started calling the soldiers. 33 distress calls were placed on the military. The military did not come. The attack happened for 3 consecutive days. And the governors moved to Lagos to wish Tinubu happy Christmas. Why people were dying. The whole world were reacting to it. So these people operate in a safe haven. They don't hide their movement. When about 500 of them came into Enugu, that was about last 7 months. I told you people that these people, look at how they enter Enugu. These people are not hiding it. So they have not started carrying out coordinated attacks in everyday format, like what we are seeing in Benue, like what we are seeing in Cloud, does not mean that they are not around. These people are around. These people are going to take over your villages. So this is not a matter of politics or matter of ethnicity, religion, or bias. I'm telling you the reality on ground now. So how do you fight this? How do you stop this? Unfortunately, it is not going to be stopped. It's very unfortunate. It's very, very unfortunate. It is not going to stop. You know why? Because there is a coordinated support from the political part to these people. Don't forget that according to El-Rufai, an allegation that the federal government of Nigeria has not denied.
Yeah, I agree with you.
El-Rufai said that Tinubu's administration put these bandits on a payroll. He did not say it private. He's made this statement on a national television. Baba Dati Ahmed on Channels Television after El-Rufai's claim also came to second the claim of El-Rufai that the Tinubu administration through the Office of National Security Advisor has made a policy to be paying the bandits every month. So these people are empowered. They are empowered. So the trial guy did not work. This is the strategy now. They are going to tell you to negotiate as time goes on. They will tell you to negotiate. And once you negotiate, a negotiation or peace deal, as they call it, is an avenue of these people to bring more people into your community, because the peace deal means that you don't fight these people, they will not fight you again, but they allow them to bring their guns, do everything. Then after they have brought so many people, they will start attack again to expand. Another peace deal will happen, and so on and so forth. This is just a strategy to grab your territories. It's so unfortunate that people are yet to understand what is going on. But what do I know? What do I know, Seth? It is what it is.
It's a happy birthday to me. Somebody help me and say happy birthday. And help me and thank God for saving my life today. I'm just coming out from death on my birthday. Shit. Look at the road. We were kidnapped. Fulani herdsmen. All armed. Look at me. Look at me. All armed. In this road, they kidnapped our motor. Coming back from Ewere to Omoko. They kidnapped us. We were entering inside the bush. Hey God. They took us inside the bush. As we were entering, we were just lined up. And I don't know.
Asatana, this is not fun. I don't know why you're laughing. This is not fun. I don't know why you're laughing. The thing is, you know, this kind of thing is not it's no longer a news. You understand? But somehow, with like your question here, it's a praise the Lord now. The thing is this, like your question, And because see you said too much talk, no solution. Because that talk also help. All talk can wake everybody up. So talking is not bad, but for culture side, I don't blame him because he's from Delta and he's from other people from Riverine area. They you don't expect them to start championing the division of Nigeria, even though they have the rights. But they have to look at you from the so-called Southeast, from the so-called 5 states, 5 plot of land, like Yoruba people love to call. They have to look at you and how you are carrying your own activity. They need to also be sure of who they are going to listen to. Remember, they are not like you. I'm not that they are not Igbo. They are Igbo the same thing with you, but they are not like you in the sense that you have invested your time, your years to see, to think, to follow some people that are leading to know what they can offer. So they cannot just jump and be like you overnight. It requires gradual step, like consistency and to and their time to follow everything up to know to be like you. But if they want to follow somebody like Why Socha will be there, telling them that if you are killing people. They don't know you much about those leading to know what to follow and how to follow. So, in as much as we want them to be very active and very, very ready to devote their time, which is good. Like, I'm not saying that they should not do that, but sometimes we also need to understand the circumstances. All of them should rise up now and let us do it together. Now everybody can agree that Nigerian cannot work again. Okay, and like I said, but yeah, you are still don't understand my point, and I'm going to bring to you, because this is not because of you. This is part of what we are here this evening to do, because your friend, Stina, your friend is busy saying something that I don't think you yourself will be proud of it. I don't think you'll be proud of it, but I will play it anyway. Just a moment.
Yeah. This man
no, wait. You know your friend. Wait.
Because I'm
this woman, you won't understand. Oh, there was a time I called her pandemic. Remember? I don't think, how many of you remember that time I called her this one? That she's a pandemic in freedom. She's just a pandemic. Like, everyone says it's C19. And the other one put before, and what is the name of that virus? That's is it Ebola? Take Ebola. It says it's a dodge. It contaminated. Anybody sensible gets with dodge at this woman in every ramification. I'm going to have the only woman on one. Or come and need a single. I'm telling you, I'm a 50-year-old. I'm a wire. Me could maybe be a spy. Can they test for that wire? Okay, might have been a waggy. Ebola. Thank you, Antenna. So, you won't understand. Ned woke up, decided to meet with Ebukobi to discuss way forward. And that his video is trending. Imana, we used to hear some things from Igbo Unification Group. You know that guy that I shared his videos last time, and I begged all of us to follow that guy. I don't know how many of you remember that guy in the plate is here, not by see that handsome guy. That very guy, and some people from Riverine area like Delta, this Delta rivers. Few of your brothers from there are the one championing Igbo unification as we speak. And don't have a guy one. like in the from someone from Anambra, Enugu, Abia, Imo, before. In Kenya and Akedo, they know why, because this is where they will come from. They have seen them know, and they are doing it with history, fact, and figures. No longer. They're not doing blind argument. They are the one telling their history. Before we used to tell them their history. Like, look, you are a brother that your community is after River Niger. Doesn't mean anything. Now village they buy no every self. No we made it like everywhere I come from. I know military in my place demarcate in my community with other community. You have to use bridge to cross. But talk on any because the carbon and no. Bridge na we bridge you get you on real one. Is about the do couple of ime fedego. Odd. Manaboka get ship. Don't misunderstand what I'm saying. But get the point. So that now River Niger demarcate in Delta and Anambra does not mean that Igbo people are no longer the other across that side. You want to know? In as much as we are trying to support and bring our people together, somebody on one corner like Lazuba, another history. Somebody now she don't even know much about her father's house. Unless that was the formation of Igbo land. Okay, for how bad this woman not supposed like now. I'm not saying people should someone should lose every platform anything, no. But to be honest with you, all come and the fundraising. I could go suppose in within a YouTube every month, man. Not a platform, can actually the month because if on avoiding a platform, that'd be too bad. Listen, I'm not saying people should go and report her platform, please. What I'm saying is that I just want to understand the gravity of what she's saying. Or the too bad, very, very bad. Now, let me go comment with Ebukobi. Let me drag the video to that part because that's something she actually said at the beginning, which we are going to talk on this video if time permit us.
Because but I don't see it like that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see it like that. You only need to know when I made the work of the not control the crowd. Made the work of where just said for every day. This will prepare for the election.
Okay, no, don't worry. Hold on. Let me go back a bit so you can hear the what they need. Even if you cool know why you first before. Yeah, all kind of life as of now. No, how to go end it? I'm not sure. But yeah, if I vote this night, this evening, or this night based on your time. Now listen. No, I don't need this song. Let's continue. Now watch if you here. Ned did not say this in Olive Table. The first one that I watched is the one that he said in China's TV on the trend we got today. I think I'm not going but that one is very, very fresh, right? Now, if only we hear about that now, during the time of during Nigerian Biafran genocidal war, that if you come in contact with Nigerian army, tell them you are not Igbo. Me imagine if I go get Kapelembe, like me, I have someone that have a relation or a sibling that did not grow up with us. Ogamoya, Ogabini Punem, Weto, after what to say no, God bless them our place. as somebody like a stranger. But all you got to get the point because okay, I'm all no, I'm not maybe one day do na. That time, if I wag the information it delivered to you. If they buy that kind of knowledge on you, you grew up thinking this is the right thing to do. This is where it should be. Okay, but some of them today that are publicly denying that they're not evil, it's not their fault. You should look for their parents. If at all you want to hear from those who made it so. That's why I shared a video last time here. In Equereland, a man was busy in primary school teaching children how not to be evil, that you are from Benin. We shared the video here. And Ned is confirming that even during his own time, he was told the same thing. Now he's a grown-up man. After seeing everything the way Nigeria work, it is now clear to him that message, that history, is just to survive, not that it's a reality. And he's now championing and preaching about Igbo unification. Keweta in our state. Can you back out at other states? We can make it to at least some. If at all you still believe Nigerian that your problem is state creation, but no matter whether you believe or not, the target is unification. Even if you don't like to be in Nigeria, why are you now fighting the unification? Why? Do you understand what my own side of the story? I'm not saying that if you let us give us a normal so that we can then breathe and live. No. Am I against it? No. Because whether you like it or not, that will go beyond political reasons. One is to know your brother and your sister. That's why if I see anybody from Anioma, from Okwale, from Igodomigodo, from Abo, name it. I hate to hear anybody telling them you are not that Igbo. Your Igbo is somehow fake. You that says you are stupid. And this woman, I said this in the past, how she using her platform to bring more division, to make other Igbo or other Biafrans from non-Anambarian or from 042, from Imo State, to see themselves, even Abia, to see themselves as partial Igbo. How can you? The whole nation, the whole country, but when they foreigners, so like Fulani, and every blessed day they're praying and working hard to divide you the more. Why above a name Omajana? Omajana Igbo the Moza. If you are truly Igbo, you should unify Igbo. If you are Wayajana, you should know what Igbo means. You should respect where you come from. But using your platform to push out wrong narrative simply means you are evil and you are demonic. That is why, you see, when we talk about how they always come out and begin to tell you that Ngozi Orebeze is one that signed armor tank to line up in the village and burn down villages, that she is the one. Do you know that this man and all of them, they have called Ngozi Orebeze as one that bringing insecurity in the Biafra land more than they have called late Buhari. The guy and watch that video and how they portray all those things. They have exonerated Tinubu and late Buhari as innocent to compare COS in space of few months. Buhari ruled Nigeria how many years? 8 good years. 8 good, I did not say 8 months. 8 good years. Then in that 8 good, whether half Buhari or model Buhari, the tenor is written Buhari for 8 years, right? Whether they mold somebody that, don't worry. But the tenor was ruled with the name Buhari, right? These people have never complained about insecurity in our land under Buhari, who actually called for other regime, called for crocodile smile, Operation Phantom Dance, tying of 28 men in Namorgano's compound, find people in Emene, find people in Obibo, find people in Aba Primary School, find people in Anambra Head Bridge, find people in many places, recorded and unrecorded. They don't talk about Buhari, they don't talk about Tinubu, they don't talk about Nigerian government, they don't talk about the army chief. Then they have talked about Ngozi Okonjo more than 8 years of Buhari. This is somebody that they want me to listen to. Now you may say they just want to focus on people that are perpetrating the act in Igbo land, the one of Igbo, the one of Igbo. Okay, Hope Uzodinma is now running how many years as governor of Imo State? Do you know that this video we played now happened where? Imo State. Where this guy that said, hey, thank God, that today is my birthday, I would have been a dead person. He took that thing happened anywhere in Imo State, in Igbo land. This is not from Kafachan, in Igbo land. This why you see the cable on the year one. We put an hour saying that now. She's one that imported that code my couples is a problem. Oh, we are done at school. Oh, you got now or pass it off on Gozo consulate. Can you just imagine that? And so, grown-up people are clapping for that. In my way, propaganda man they make it to see believe it. Like you actually insulting people. You are trying to play on some people's intelligence. I'm not saying it is not my duty to make you to love who you don't want, who you don't like. You hate the person, you hate the person. Nobody in this life is being loved by everybody. Nobody, even Jesus Christ, had enemies. He did not make them enemy, they make him enemy. You understand? Even to the point of death. So I'm not. If you are living in this planet Earth and you expect everybody to start loving you, you're a dreamer. The more you think, the more you want people to love you, the more you're actually making a mistake. All you need to do is to do the right thing and good thing, and avoid evil. Leave the rest for God. This is something that people were like telling Ohanese, go and meet them. They are the one not making move. Look at Okocha that I played this video from his platform. He's from Delta, but go and watch his video. He's always talking about the injustice and the marginalization. He's a support of Mazongani. He not only by act, he professes it. Stand with that number. Because he understands Mazongani is his brother. Whether you like it or not, he's from Delta. From my number, I don't know which part of Delta, but he's from Delta. Can you compare what you call Okocha is doing on social media with what he's such? You can see the professionalism, the way he reports issues, the way he analyzes issues, what he's doing, everything you can't compare with Okocha with why he's how one. That is an insult. Why this one never not get that now? Though I'm gonna play it now. That they are not all that evil, that we don't need them. I'm not gonna say much again. Let us go to this video. So you hear what I because I've said this in the past. Watch.
this man gave her name because we don't have woman at now we got a good people. I want that we are free here because some of you did share here or it's a people because now they are saying I won't dance, now I won't do that, now I won't do cause. But I don't see it like that.
Listen here.
I don't see it like that. You only to know for that back. When I made the walk up to that phobia, so you're not for the crowd. Made the walk away, just say, Cobia meet Kobe. This will prepare for the election. Go use them because you're just where you saw Kedafiano. Kedafiano. Can I do what you say to be a Tracy when he is a packer? Because the only thing to talk who can be forced to open that you walk up to Papa Tareba. Always on a care by equal super way for we. I don't care to go without you. Or some of us about to you about. I don't know what I take it. The point is the first point is we let this man call it the work of the get on. I don't who get them for infinite work. I thought that is where they go to the
as I think exactly, enemy of progress. Enemy of progress.
That crowd down. Can they do work with the weather? That is crowd down. Let work up, let go be. And they do work with the weather. Because they do work to want everybody to help him with that crowd. And the network of know that anything now owner, everybody by that crowd, everybody will listen. And that need that's a crowd. But when that those crowd now, nowhere to find this man called the Woko, and one day to put away. When that crowd down they are protesting now. And they say you not sacrifice her. Whatever they want business, whatever they want
now, let me say this. This is just a kind of a warning to anybody that is not from you're not from let's say you are not from Anambra, you're not from Enugu, you are from South, but you are Igbo. Our brothers in South, Anyoma, Okwale, and what's the name of this place? You know those areas, Akwa and rest of them. Do not take this woman because all of you have in our community, various communities, every community have one drunkard that the whole community know. And then those people that will hold Akparacha, Nabu, in a village. If every community have it. Now, like I said, this is a warning. Group this woman. Like when you just remember those people there in your village, right? Remember them. We all have it. There's no community that don't have a madman. If you don't have, then you gotta look for one because your community needs it. Okay? But no family wants to produce it anyway. But what I'm saying is that you know drunkard in your village. Those ones that no matter what you do, if you give them money to go and treat themselves, if they have wound, they will stop at Tumboba and sober off. Just drink very, very well and tell you that I had the sorry. And you ask someone to take them to chemist so that they can treat him. Because you give the person money to go and do something reasonable for himself, he will use that money to drink shepherd. Just group this woman with them. So what I'm saying is don't take whatever she's saying serious. She's a drunkard, she's a Tombo woman, original Tombo. You understand? Now, last time I checked, Ned is not contesting for presidency. Please, someone should correct me if I'm wrong. Ned is not contesting for Nigerian president. And Ned is not even contesting as Delta governorship or whatever. I don't think she is. So if Ned is chasing people, the population that follow the Ogebukobi, he should be for presidency. Do you understand? It should be for presidency, nothing more. It has nothing to do with what Ned is there for. But as a Gogoro woman, anything goes. Just Mark Spencer said that guy report, this one got me. She is indeed a drunkard. Original one. Drunkard differs, so you can just sober yourself, maybe occasionally you just decide to drink. God greet you. Man, always example again. Listen to Kitana. No, even if the person is sick, you know that he's sick. Out of pity, you want to treat him, and you count some cash and say, okay, go and treat yourself. That money will end up in Tombo. Just look for any Tombo bar around. You see that person with that sickness there drinking. So you already the community, everybody know the person that. So if you want to treat him, he chooses somebody, the responsible person, treatment. Okay, sometimes they will tell the person, okay, go to Okechukwu shop. Tell Okechukwu that I sent you to treat you. If you have Okechukwu number, you can call them. Okay, this man is coming to your clinic. Please, just treat him, everything. Just do what you can do and send me the bill. Do you understand? Then the person that treats once someone accepts to treat the person, automatically the person must will sign another job with that unknowingly to him. I mean, the person that is going to treat this person, because the person will be the one to remind this man now, okay, if you take your medicine, don't drink. Don't drink. I say don't drink. Just eat food. Then take this medicine. Okay, take this medicine. Don't drink. Another assignment is to make sure that now, if you have not encountered this kind of people, imagine you told in a village, maybe in a founder and work in a village or a village, then no mama can, because if you change and keep us on. Then if you know them, if you see people that are like that, if you give them a bracha, they don't. If there's if like if somebody is like Ned is contesting, for example, or anybody is contesting, you are bracha, or got to give vote straight away. They don't care about your manifestos or whatever. Just give one bottle. One bottle is enough until you get. So that is where this woman belongs. She's not somebody that forget about. She can come up and talk. Then check everything that this woman is saying. You understand what I'm talking about? Now let me hear how just imagine what she's saying and listen. Tombo woman, negative.
Votre maison est une nouvelle jeunesse pour développer votre when it comes to our people, I put all my mind. So, first of all, I want to part of the and he was when it comes to our people, I put all my mind. So, first of all, I want to appreciate you.
I need the help. Because when you walk out there, social media, but I'm not for the age. Only a better is get but I just said, leave or who's your only the person.
As if I did drop back the TT speedy gauge you will get. Come on, although Ned is good, Ned will no mass. But I got other one also because I got only to put more expand on here because you will know what Maka 7 called 8 kimo. Not why in Apoco. So Ned the bag TT now. He gave this speed pull up bag. Remember, don't give you about no bomb with land and Delta State. I'm being honest. Marketing, basic. You check it as if they which a guy there. You will put the Sudan because of the work. And I call that car. You get this video when my boy over there. Gina do 100%. 100%.
So, your efforts, I appreciate it. And I love our so much. If you watch this country a few months ago, I
police station on a Cosiliana. Mando Wulawo, Minga, please not back. Let to walk up to Tapa. She go do the net to go do for me. When I'm not the phone as in the Vanike, where they are in the castle. Let you walk away, Paris, a couple of weeks or stock in the Cosio. I have to pay for practice. A Paris, a new pool. Let you walk up. The family that's independent all we want today.
A journalist in a practice your journalist. You're not practicing it. So you know, I don't think all the way a barrister though, but I'm just saying. So you know, if matter that matter as someone who have them even if a journalist, and then your journalist, are you practicing your journalist? Even I go on my shop. You know me.
Where's get this man London or Borobi where one did the Fanaye, the develop Canada. And where will I get this? He must say, well, let work in the year. I never said let work out. I made work away police.
On a vision like this people. No. This woman, very, very bad. Now, yeah, first division. Like I said, if you are from Asaba, any other part, if you are from Riverland area, as a people person, don't take what she's saying serious. So understand that you are listening to a drunkard. In your village, you have people like that. Okay, so it's not her fault. In her fault, the village has no. Get her village herself. In her fault to the village, in her only represented her own village. But on Kia was not as a nuclear because on was outside the country. Now I showcase her craziness, but that shouldn't be a burden to you. Okay, that shouldn't be a burden to you. Let's continue. I just want you to understand that very, very important.
We know our history. In our United Nations, some of us run deep. Some of us have believed we never would be today, and the anarchy. It I think that because life for ground. You wait to tell you what you then what you want on you go. Every copy, then you walk out on you. Then you walk out on your full and me. In the Yakani, we have put your double on you what I told you. The body of this in bed. The body of this in bed. Then the body are not on the edge.
Hey, it's all fair.
What can I do to walk on the boat you go on you? If I don't do what I get over on the edge. So what can you make for Pianama? Okay.
Now, Madam, they talk.
The one who went to copy, yeah, the one that is a fool and cornered war content. The one who won't let you walk on Yaman and go, Yajet to see it. Yajet was so on Naya. Yajet Bell would not need no autism. I don't want to please on a Cosnia. What would now are you? Now I won't be what where I won't go original 100% evil. I actually on
in Ania. I won't do original Igbo. I won't do original Igbo. Oh, and anyone will take it Biafra. Madman, mad woman from Ethiopia. Ethiopia donate to go and care for madman community. At least a war for in this Ethiopia. At all, every community will give her. Come on, I'm mistaken. Hagabala. How have you go coupon a chain, Potana Street, Potanama? In the man, they took on the chain. Okay, Nana. And she's married in 50. Again, I said, Igbo was married at 15 years. Okay, for the marriage, if we never go, I won't do original Igbo. A Sudanese woman. How many Igbo women married a Sudanese man? How many? It's impossible. Negenti. Oyojo. I think this have been playing with that. Let me take it back a little bit, okay?
All the people and I have those for the network or those begging. All you run a walk while they are okay. I end
useless woman. Very, very useless.
In our United Nations, some of us was not our own people. Some of us are very good about people today.
And so what? And so what? It's a matter of time.
You wait to tell you what. Then you walk on you. Every copy. Then you walk out on you. onye Fulani ndị ya anya n'ife ihu ya ekwukwu onye na ọ bụrụ onye Igbo na-atọ otu ndị Igbo adịghị ekwu isi mbe ndị Igbo adịghị ekwu isi mbe na ndị Igbo adịghị anụ under age wakene dị ise ndị ji nwoke na-ebe otu Igbo wuru onye Igbo ana ndị Igbo na-ejeje
ebe a ka gị na wee chetara ya na ọ nụrụ di na 15 years mana ndị Igbo adịghị anụ di ada anọ under age ndị Igbo adịghị eme kilọv n'ugbo owere Igbo na ndị Fulani na-eme ya ndị Igbo n'ode ịga tọsọ ego n'ugbo mmadụ were azụ na-akwatụgasị na-eterorize farmland Igbo people don't do ala ịghọtago ndị Igbo adị owere nwatakịrị Igbo na nwaanyị Igbo na-aga egwuru onwe ya tọ ya kata n'ebe mmadụ kọrọ ife Igbo woman don't do that. Isi mbozo. But this is just to create more problem to people's effort using one broadcast. What is the broadcast so many eju CRC na ha na-eme memos now. Although if you are from riverine area of any part at all and you watch this woman and you feel headache, you need to check your brain. Understand who you are listening to. A very, very mad dog. Isi bal popcorn. Ndị Igbo na mara under age. Ndị Igbo why kụkọrọ ụkwụ na n'ukwu nwoke na 15 years. Na-agwa gị na ndị Igbo adịghị under age. Ụmụ Igbo na ha ji azụ anyị terrorize ugbo mmadụ. Bula akwa gị wụsa n'ala na-ese bọngị seche bọngị pụta na-akọ ihe n'ọnụ gị ịma ife imegidere ituzu gbakọ ke agbụ chụpụ gị na abụka kọmuniti ọbọmakụ nọ ndị magiko ịda atụ gaa na ọnọ na platform I upload this for a reason maka ekwuo aka na-ekwu aneteka ịkọ ihe ọ bụla odorochara ga ya mgbanwe site ga ma tụpụta gị ikele people can lie. Oh, na ndị Igbo adịghị ekwu na ha bụ ndị Igbo. Peter Obi bụ onye Igbo ọ gwaghị na Biafra nwoke kemgbe. How about it? Okay, Peter Obi bụ onye Igbo according to you. Gịnị ka ọ gwara gị? Chukwuma Kaduna Nzoga our brother Nzoga onye ebe onye Igbo ka esi adị Igbo Asaba current Asaba today Delta. And on a kundi Igbo, I want to be China, not a good Igbo. No, the real Igbo in her own Panambra. And the Banana said, no, because side so carbon more original Igbo, Canada, Indian on a Kunde club, or only on Aguata, because I have but Oka, you know, Indonesia, in the capture one Igbo, oh, how you better, you saw a book in Sophia video, the original book in Sophia Ozara. Onye akike giche ntị ị gawo headache n'ebe ọ nọ ụtụtụ ọma money man ka ị na-ekwu ụtụtụ ọma okay I joined late today no problem my brother we don't often broadcast this time sometimes on a na ndapụta my dear we have spent 1 hour to be honest and we are still here ịchọkwa ịnaba my brother I need to say my man. She just decided to yap nonsense.
Under age. So what can we go get about today? No, Zion. The one who went to copy. Yeah, to put this thing.
Good morning to you, my brother. No evidence. Original Igbo, 100% Igbo. There's on original Igbo. Other guy. Oh my goodness. Are you open the original Igbo? They go original Igbo one. Okoko Sudan. Okoko Sudan. Original Igbo. Are you open the original Igbo? Anaki Abukalako. I joined there today. Greeting from here, Mazakai report. That's a King of Harmonica, and I see you, my brother. You're welcome. Way, how is life? I hope all is well with you. Let's continue. I get up with this woman.
China, your people. I want to know politics. I one day you use their career. One day you were to it. A way to tell people. I can't think what I don't want to it. What I think we walk up away to it. What I do we was away to it. What I do why to it now. Why they make us say to it.
More.
When they go in a move what that they gonna take it to school. New Zion, I like to follow like with Kobe. When I don't expect me, I know that I can't do my budget.
As if no, also, wait, so on a has again, and I'm baby go be Mokanino. People go be able to exist. And I also again, and I'm beginning. Oh, you know, I'm beginning. I got you now. You watch out, Tombo. You just you call it. Tombo, where if it's exhaust that one, it's simply another one. And I go. Money, I say, oh, they say money. You know, it's not America again, and they go.
Every time you understand, though, I did the hell. You might not know you put the man out of the because when you walk out there, what they
Take a hand, yeah.
Every copy. Here, one more cat. People have got up for your Igbo state. Yes, we're going to look better than Saba. Yes, just for not go to that Saba. Yes, go to peace with all on there. And the next go to business in Uno Yamwa. Over nonsense need now. All the make for not a better to support the network on Jendo said Becky. All you then I walk while they are choking. We know our history. Over we are colliding. It's not even here unite. In our united, this is some of us on deep. Some of us have believe whatever we people today. And the anarchy. Kita kita terus because I for crowd. You want to tell you one.
Isi agidi.
Every copy, then the work our body. Then the work of one year full of me. In the Yagani, we are supporting and overloading what I told you. Leave what they're missing there. Leave what they're missing there. Don't leave what they are not underage.
15 years flag. 15 years flag. Go on, hold it. Which I doubt. Okay, maybe 12. I doubt. Maybe 15.
So what can we go beyond my joking? No, Zion. The one who went to copy. Yeah, for the same form of content work content. The one you want, let the work on down around. Oh, yeah, to see it. Yeah, to zoom on there. Yeah,
thank you so much, my brother.
Ndị gbara adịmma iwe ọ ga-aka wee chụọ aja. Ndị gbara adịmma iwe isi wee chụọ aja. Ndị gbara adịmma iji wee chụọ aja ebe kwesịrị ịchụ aja. Mana biko, wee na-ebuku obi na mụmụ nwaada ndị mbụ na ndị ekele siri. Ndị Zion amaghịkwara m mba wee buku obi. Mụ na ọrụ ahụ esire mụ na ya na. Ọrụ ọrụ ha na nke adọ mma kwenye na obete ike. Ọkwa ebe ahụ ma ikpo. Uru ya bụ.
And gụwa mmezi nke na-adịrọ mma. Onye ga-agwa gị n'ime tere, onye na-agwa gị ya. Nna gị mere attempt ịgwa gị, ọwa ọkwụrụ. ụmụnne gị mere attempt ọwa ọkwụrụ ụmụnna gị ọwa ọkwụrụ ịgba ọsọ ọgbakọ m akwụrụ Davido dịkwa ịmapụ maka gịnị na-agwa gị hapụ ugbo ndị mmadụ na iji azụ eterorize ugbo ndị mmadụ na ozugo na nke imere eme ịjụ ikwechiri si gịnị ha gịnị ka ọwa ọtụ n'ịbụ n'ọgwụ abụ ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede n'ugbo ọbụla mmadụ ka ọnụ belong to you na iji ha nochi oge tụsapụ na atụ na everywhere abụrụ via a na-eji geji si mba a na-eme expect ka ịkọsụ ugbo nke gị wọnyị kọtawo itipụ because na nna ndị Sudan mebi na fana akọ ndị ọfụma mebi na anọ ndị Fulani na ndị anọ ifilo na ka ị ga ebe a because ọ dị ka nke ugbo na-atọ gị ọ dị ka ị nọ n'ugbo na-atọ gị wewe ịgbaba Sudan n'ebe afọ ọ dị ka ndị mara mega ala na mebi ebe ha na-achị nama ebe a na-achụ nama ijiri okwu shift gasịa nshi efio na eduna n'ala isewe ya iseche isepụta ụmụaka ọrụ so ebe a wee batazie France wee mezie finishing mebi na ndị France ewo n'ebe ha makwere gị ewo n'ugbo oge ekwe gị ba n'ugbo ya ka ime ka ise ịnọzi ebe ahụ wee chek wezie time ya tago so ị na-akọ ife ị na-akọ ị na-echite nya gị jọrọ njọ ọ dị ma aga m ekwudo ya sef tata nkọ na-ekwe program ime ijebi ha na ụmụ ihe wiski na ị na-esipụrụ ya na-akọ elizi aka ihe n'ọnụ gị ife ị ga-eji ma na ọ na-ebroadcast under influence of whiskey or eyeglass kwuchie ya ọ naghị akọ ọ na-akọ tata na ma gawa isu ọfịa because ndị ji ya azụ wee ije ya gbakpụ na jifakọ a na-eche gị ọbụgo na-ewuze megoro imagine boyfriend gị chọọ gị na-abịa taa sị gị na ada ọsị ya na-aba anyị egepụta na ike ka ha ọsị na ndị nwoke a nọkwu ya ọsị na poskin ya na moskin ya ọsị oke ka ebe ị ga ọsị na uwe ma ị na-aga gata left na uwe one ugbo akọ na one side gị chie m n'ukwu osi n'ebe m na-abịa na ara gị na igwurụkwụ na-adapịa ọfịa igwurụkwụ na-eshift ịbatazi n'ime ugbo ndị mmadụ amami na-atụkwụta ụjọ ma agwọ ma ịta gị otu ya na-ala yawa dịsụba karịa egwu ọfịa owere azụ wee tere azụ ugbo ndị mmadụ na-ata imegide ya na complain ịma people amụta for you to chukwu wee kee gị ụdọ ịma ha mere complain ha wetego nọ na-imagine ọ ga-abụ ha wee ike ife kịta ịmagoro megoro mmadụ ebe bịa n'uwe ebe ịkọrọ ugbo ịfụ na ihe a Fulani na-emegasị iterorize ugbo ndị mmadụ ka ọnụ they must have noticed that na always bata here ya dịkwa ọ ga-aba atụrụ ma ewu ya dịka ọ ga-abụkwa na mba ihe afọ abụkwa na mma because ama na ịma na eme n'ife na of course eyi nwoke ga-abụkwa dịka gị ndị isi na isi gbalịrị wizi ka ọ bụ na ha weta gị fesa na ndị mmadụ n'ugbo fa na-arụ ọrụ ha gaa n'isi n'ude fam gaa n'ebe ha na after na ha na-edistọb ya na-edistọb gị na ebe a na-eme ya gị sụra ịrụ ọrụ ugbo rute saịdị aka ha shift olu gị because ife ugbo a na-atọ gị wel ya ka ịpụta wee dị ọdasti ị na-agwa mmadụ okwu and the thing bụ na ịmachakwa ife ime robot alcohol omena again. And in this life, no matter what you are doing, make sure that do not allow your parents to hate you or rain insult on you. If they're not insult, curse. Don't allow your parents to lay curse on you, because if they lay curse on you, they end well. I can tell you that this woman, nobody said that to me, but I felt like it could be that her father or her mother must have said something not too good about her. The way she's living her life, something is very, very wrong somewhere. Very, very wrong somewhere. Since up from Sophia, the man before no, like one of our brothers said earlier today that that she started terrorizing farms, in our land before Fulani. She could be the one that actually told Fulani how to terrorize farmland. Man, I kept Oja's winning.
Program about this man, all day the work. Or when the program about this criminal, but when they made the work, if you have the Boya, that's the best yes in Uroye. The one we need to back on our academic. It's an abomination, Nicola. It's an abomination. So that I want you. I don't see. Would you see that work as it woman? Can you not ever to group on it? Can you not at this judge the what to be? If we don't ever be this screen now, the Greek, what you
as I think I shut up. As I think I don't think so. Oh yeah, this woman herself, we can all the we can now put that now not our go easy. Or we can facilitate that over something. Okay, couple fine now. She's just wired like that. She's just he can be photo with the boyfriend he madu you gabu ocho kagene got out of a room madu. A wooden woman gonna guy is leaking. Chineke very mad. And don't much about how much. Yeah, that video, oh my goodness. Maybe I will play it later, but I don't think tonight. Because time is.
And I make a queen of why you okay? Of I don't see your rules. The last comment young made more comment about the people. I thought that's all that's communication or 2 words. Networkers, we are going to see this man. This man control this crowd. We need him. Oh my God, you wait, but that's crowd, huh? For his selfish interest. But I told me one day to work at that time, Ndi run down a church. Ndi run right at Fichaka. Ndi run right away to No, we don't need that. Let him go to hell. Yajaman, Otowoka. I want my gurus to wear free house. I want my gurus to wear free. But I like to be able to be what I don't know your stand. Ofuma. God will go for Sakamani, but no, he passed me back. It will know what to him when I done put that day. I went to know, soon I give him an open cat. Open cat, and I'm out of CCTV. Yeah, to TCK. One day when I take it, they will know.
No one did that. See for me. Yeah, many they take advice. And again now. So Maganda didn't have a phone. I done them and I buy. I done them and I buy. Emba. Why not? We're gonna. Now, you know, if you put a problem, we're going to send the Chinese here because. If we're not sending, a big kiss, eh? When they said, who is this one? Nah. Oh. You get go and them mother said. Ya bolozo ya go save up. All right. Why not working the other as if of ma? So, which you get there? Now, anything but that, what do you give as well?
I'm not to him and that jam or not. The wood go. They are family back. But I would have had the even they met the woman. Every whole way. Every day, I would not get my jacket back, jacket for rice. I chap and I took. We are old one. But I can't have like this. Yeah, go away. Okay, then. So people desire. Jenny web go be. Yeah, why is in bed? Either I did what I need to be. Do not need to get the work, or why not is in bed?
You see, I'm making sense than okay, go on. It might be set up that way. Go.
We must be not to be known. David Gentleman, Navadeka State, where the no passport needs to be made. I will one hour, we have suffered enough to make it work. I had to think after 8 hours again. The one who does yes and who know who might see him. There goes he go to Becky. Oh, you know, I walk one eye, okay, and I don't want to move. When you don't want to get about all with it, I will see it. Oh, my God, and they say, because people are standing in a consideration. But the water and even even your own blood brother, you lock him up and pray with him. If you are not blessed, if you are not with he crossed all the night, but I tell you what was the war that you are for the quiet for days of you went for no baby. I don't feel charge. Exactly. That work in Ania, also now through the passionary. You are there by the correct eye over no one. Over no one will be many for the highest. We don't work it. I we told it. And then they say great. You can't work it, carry them over. Every copy, yeah, you are.
So when I see you trying to unify our people and you are mostly saying, oh, I can't deny my identity, you want some clarity on the group.
If I go for two, the final can work it. Oh, yeah, walk over all life. If I would 3 coaches, I would if anybody sees in there. Call that walk. Now, this nonsense of why man you go no way. On that, you got you go. Why you have to be ready no good out here? We don't need him. On I be unified. I have said I did so. Oh, what I know the work of the unify you. There's a one that the whole business on Abuja, business on Lagos, business on Adiboni, everywhere business. What that I need to participate in. Every copy, he abandoned the work go. Totally unify indeed. Unify. You just talk about what the master can obey to bank it. You want to wear the idea.
Oh, you actually, so I thought he's not a real Igbo, so you actually need him to help you as a real Igbo. You don't have the capacity anymore. You actually need help from non-real Igbo. Is that okay? Okay, forget now. So you know that you need him to help you in their job. No, John.
Where you define ever. All for you. Oh, yeah, I've been in the
Each and every go with that believe it. You never go with that believe it. I go every. Every go with each and all the no stupid. Normal if guru nonsense possess it good. Say about for now. Go ahead. Never matter.
Oh, do not see the last year. Open that way, watching the idea. Don't go up. Nobody fights me.
Ọ na-ekwu ahịa iche na owe mama ọ na-ekwu ahịa iche na gị na I mean you and who exactly
somebody want rest of life. Somebody does the way or still the body of the or no who get a casino or who get a casino or you define who pay or you define who there or maybe you define it.
And it does the beg where husband from Ubo rice, husband from Ubo Apple, husband from Ubo G, husband in Sudan, husband they can't give you the vibe. How many husbands? In my own Ghana, book always 5 children, I'm not 7 from different husbands. I was thinking that it's just a statement to get back at her. I'm not coming on reality. At least now 3 husbands got to go to shop counting 3 good. Okay, na chukwu ọzọ because tọ dọkịta na oke kịta ọmụkwara ụya dị ọ gwacha gị na ya bụ adaja na aka n'aka desi na afịa bụ restaurant ebe ya na oke na akụkọ aka na Europe chichi ya dịkwa
The whole nation. Now, everybody got this now. What this one, you know? When I got to the bar, kick them out.
Anamano
Why that's not the bar?
because ọ bụrụ Igbo
I don't know what I'm
okay
I am going to so you are going to talk about this people at your office. Say I close to the office, they get a good hair. That goes inside exam. By the incident, they was about to be up with the piece on a career. By giving away and do what on a little friend. Who didn't tell them what you want to hey, but then there's no way back here.
Oh, we're gonna have my history. Now, my history. You need to recall history. Near my history. Here, you are calling them Ndi Asaba. Chief of the fan about Ndi Ahaba. Man, oh, how to about history, yeah.
And the person now who was on the edge, I can eat it.
Obo you to village. Can you consider the rice who won't live on the mat? Kedu kwụsa gị ihe bibidoro na all of 15 years some dey 12 ibido gịnị mere maka ife mere ndị kọmiti wee kwuo ogene n'isi gị yuto ya ka eno ya agbụ n'ama because ị na-amụ ka termite under age iwu ile ike ijikọrọta onwe gị emesi na-aga ọkwa skuulu eyi ka eke ga-esika skuulu ebe ịdị bizi n'ugbo ndị mmadụ. How will you go to school then?
And if what moves the more such our population people, we don't have to accommodate them, and we can never accommodate them.
Oh, that is where you now we ban the village. I'm not saying I'm not cooking up story here. The audio is everywhere, and I believe it because I'm a nigga, my name and okay, your name put last put and you did not debunk it. Can I get Zokwa on a gas woga? You know, they react. You could tell that Nafago Lazuba. It may it's nursery, we catch you. Nan, or again, that's from the same community. When they could everything, if you follow up on us now for security reason, or Palafan, if I ain't going to check Kaike. Otu oge gọvanọ ike ogige bụ otu ego gekere weza oge chukwu nkere in our aka fake name nobody knows Chika Odere. It's not even like when I need the Chika Odere from Ozara Isofia. Now if you want a man Ibo Ekulobia, Ibo is from Ekulobia or quite few. Maniche forgot that one.
Then again,
Yes, so elevate energy. She's talking out of experience. Exactly. The answer is yes, because it's our brother. How about it? Yes, and Nani abandoned ya, Manaban go gina. Achupul. About one the Moka or your community, man lugo on the man like your mother is again the Bisabata. Chupology. The reason being neither when the man Kozu again, if in 18 and no one matter about the Now, is it I have every man? Is it I have any farmland of an at all? The man and the family terrorize the farmland. If the Gwenogi, now 15 years give the boss of Ubon. And I'm gonna with it like that. Oh, he gave up he didn't channel that farmland. That do Bahama, if I got a get person, we'll have a mono when efficacy would never call it. Eh? We'll have Oyama, all happen if you lose it. If you keep using a chat or Chanema go to use a Karankani, maybe in the gas will it's not neither. In fact, you just like this kind of hairstyle. It has no hip in this. Yeah? And that's a terrorist. How many farmland get terrorized in this world? How many farmland get terrorized? Blue cost, if it's a noble man. This software tipping was in bad. Nobody got this market now. Kelog will keg on the Nama. Ketchego, he black my goodness. Because now, I feel better to go every day in a bunk again, posting on a farmland. Iba kitis, this about Chica name, or Chica Cose name, go in a name, or Chica Cose, go Chica. People wiki go with them, Apple Moke, Tio Muatana, could those in the move. So if you are a man and or say, a very Utobo Nemo here. I don't make like that. Utobona walk. Eko da akwa moke yi ti akona kosi ande wa ko woro kutu kosi anis but tie bottle you go na bottle na jam to them kachika si no gbo ewu ya bo ote yeah in this sort of way no go listen that okay ga ga make di ha we kosa ma kwa aka maka atu ka ba na se diso ota ka iso na le to Sudan. Oye mama boy full and in the bottles. You in contact this Sudan, not quite so felt that. Because I'm still wondering upon every place you get Ghana, Togo, Cameroon, what would it be for? No Sudan straight. Like now, nothing not chugging a bit like that. Everybody know Sudan. How Gabon and the Flani can give it no more at that time. Because take his contact this Sudan from farmland to the software to Sudan. Connection at job and Imani Mankunia, we know go talk about.
I don't go here, but in the now who's a cunning way. You recognize that would be. I am not something when that would be. You will beg them to be equal. Eh? What can I even do when they get? Of course, you give away. Huh? Is it? I'm not going to. So. Even now, by your Gobi, Ebu Gobi Nabai, Eke the Mokante. Half what is in bar, Yada
Obi-Wan, I see you, Obi-Wan.
But when even a woman, you didn't have an equal. Our dinner master not the Kalechi. Then to walk out of the Wopia. I don't know who away for better. No way for Tolesa or wait for a target. Or to typhoon, and then
Grace, you are not far from the truth. You are not far from the truth. Mm-hmm. Which of the action? Okay, action will keep get which of the action? In a book, in a year for Kamala be naga. Then it is the action. Which of action? Action give me Rubom Marbo. Action. Here goes. It up. Na ndị ekwo gị menjoy n'ugbo ahụ na-ejigo yi nọ arụ na-eji gị n'oyi n'ugbo a na-ekwo gị menjoy na-ekwo gị n'oge relax off ekwo gị relax off n'ugbo ndị mmadụ oge ọbụla na-edite ọbụkarị ndị mmadụ ikechepụ ọsọ. It is the action. Which action are you talking about? Kita can be for everybody will a terrorist to you because it's na 15 years give the this body 50 and 50 years should be 12 years. Because you're born out of cakes man and woman. How do you know?
Actually, no, what we might eventually
No.
But if I you how many years?
And then I go we need a broadcast get the funding case no. This new version of the case no. And then you see how is age go this year when we work on only in America this kind of broadcast. Namalo him. He has a kind of he has a kind of gave up with a year. He said somebody said is this one dragging land with anybody? Dragging land with anybody? My brother, she is not dragging land with anybody. She was actually dragging farmland with his social farmers. She was dragging farmland. She was not dragging land. Only farmland. Before I say I'm by Nigeria wire. Because everybody can get a man going to cut if I get it. No Jidako na. I got turn every farmland to maternity home. Hey, got it tired. Or this equal cash. Or this equal cash now. Get it for your career.
And then with a program grant and a big shop.
Zico, check Zico, my brother, nobody is dragging anything with this woman. Fake people always accuse other people. Fake people always they are first to accuse others. So what do you always say? Come on, she's just a different thing altogether. Everyone is there with us. Everyone you get check out if you are lawyer, be careful when you know. I go if this guy will call and for the first caller now, and then I will come back to you.
Okay.
And that's it. I will present me for totally. Okay. No.
I've somebody had a banana, Maria, and they got to go. And then with a program long grand and a labor unification. So to make a do that's all me, that's okay. Go ala if I age with the be aside.
I don't give up because 1980.
Be aside the work. Also the high mega. Also the high mega. And the second visit. I'm with a program, I'm with another labor unification.
Okay.
You have to take a couple of names to say I would need.
I see more now here, by. I don't if I like it, problem I won't deal with. Here, what day you see your bread? Well, did it? It's not like I put an hour. But did we check what
until you learn how to speak for yourself? Did you say? Did you care? Did I care? Or I don't care? Kine say before, not do we? You can represent terrorists. Somebody
that this what is okay. It is not welfare because you have to run the control the crowd. Oh, and then you walk and in the fire. Now, I don't do like that too.
Ever meet a way about being a family here? On to more than I did like somebody to you as only more.
If we ain't amending the case, no, now this man from beginning till now made it clear that Ned is not Igbo person, and you cannot just come from across River Niger and begin to claim or to advise or to associate with Igbo people. According to her, she said all this in then the case I bring hand on still think that this one is making sense because they don't listen. All I hear that Ned is not an Igbo person. She said the time with that number, giving you references. Nyama history which you don't know. And she don't even tell the history. Yet, you are here telling her that now you are showing her concern because Nema no only Igbo call and Ned they're going to.
I supported you that along with your family. Good and fine. And if you put you who are so you put them in your good and fine. Then our man, they got man the politicians, and they gave me so can you make that aside? Then in the program, my sister, all when you name like this now, you were on what name is myself, but I call me more people. Are you getting me? Why? Because this is very dark man, or say a very black man, or very dark man.
Okay. I think we are done with this one. Was actually because my brother, you're welcome. Let me hear from you.
Oh, Mr. Kai, good evening. I just woke up and I realized you are live. Did you later share? Did you later share link your last program? Did you end up sharing the link?
Yes, I did, my brother, because when Madam Origin joined, and our brother Legend joined, Ocean Master joined. I think was it Ocean Master? I think Ocean Master, yes. So, and honestly, I did not regret it. You can watch it now. You can hear what they said there.
I haven't watched. I didn't watch the call, but I was passing again, and I'm like, I left when you said you come back later again, not sure if you remember. So I decided to watch something else. So, but later I now came back again, and I was like, what the fuck is going on? Like, when did he do this?
I'm sorry. Madam Origi said a message that she would like to clear one because that's one of her comments that I was not able to read properly.
Yeah.
Because also goes with there na her dialect and all that. So I was like, okay. She said she want to clear on that. I said, please do. Then she came in and now people started coming and so
I know.
Sorry about it, my brother. Very sorry.
No problem. Good evening, everybody, or should I say good morning? Because
somebody's asking me if you are not free, man. That's something that's asking me. I hope you. God forbid. Free man. The free man is not free. I keep on telling you, he's not free. This is Obi-Wan, one of us. I'm gonna continue.
So, in any this woman, Anya, chick Hodele, Lasuba, aka Ubi Abacha, because Mbuba, monkey say Mbuba, and I wear Keuna Mbuba, yeah. The first time I listened to information about this somebody without trying to go to verify if it's true, that was the story, that video that you posted. You know why I don't bother to go check fact if the lady was saying the truth about this woman? Because Adade Rama's character shows exactly the story.
What did the lady say there, right?
Yeah, it confirms it, because I was asking, why is this woman like this? Because you can take a horse to the stream, but you can't force the horse to drink water. So you can imagine how long this woman have spent in France, and yet the village cannot anime. And the worst thing that you can do to yourself is you don't know, and yet you don't want to listen. That is the problem. So now you can imagine how bitter this woman. I keep calling her, say, Diary of a Sad Woman. And if one of the highest disgrace na hall. Imana mgbe gboo ha na-eji ada alụ hall then ama ka a na-akpị akpụpụta gị na-ama ekedo gị n'ukwu osisi wee pịa gị ezigbo ụtarị. Ụdị ada dị ọra mma ga na-aga ebe ọ na-eme wakekeeping, because ịmana ubi abacha na-adị free eme wakekeeping like this. Ndị na-eme wakekeeping na-eme ndị nọ n'ubi a na-akọ, you know. And you can imagine there 3 or 4 guys na this woman. Anya efu na Biafra Unite apụta ọsụ na ha na nwoke a amakakwa, onye ọzọ pụta ọfụ na ọ chọkata gị ịta PM si na ọya ebi ọma bọọlụ na ọ tago vam mgbe ha ji efe Finland ije ha na-ekekọta. I'm telling you, ka ihe mekwa na ha echọghị ịnụso onwe ha ọgụ vam na-apịa ọnụgide osi vam ịwụ nwanne m nwoke ịwụ. Neno, the video they made, they were drunk making that video. What do you think happened that night? All Talia, but Halunga. Body will be firewood. I'm not just saying anybody will right to use their body as they like. That is none of my business. That if he likes, he can do the whole world. It doesn't concern me. But the problem is about me with this woman is the character. I now understand that, and we hear about her since the lifetime. And okay, then even though I didn't understand, I didn't listen to the program, but I think I have a glimpse of what is going on here about Bukobu and this guy. For me, my take on Ned Nwoko is that as most of these politicians, so even when they want to do good, they are all suspects to us, because Ned on an Abasim Boike for another state, he might be right by Kekwa another state, which is Anioma. He might be right. It's supposed to be something to be done. But when you look the other side, you find it that is state in what has been what they have been doing. I don't know if you understand. So now when you check now and you see that if you say that this guy is trying to create another state to become the godfather of that, because in if not the constitutional champion for this Anioma state. And tell me if tomorrow, if it gets to happen, that then will Anioma state, only check and I control governorship election there. Oh, no.
Honestly, I don't. That is not my problem to me. The reason why I don't want to, like, I don't see it as a problem is this one. once that another state is being created, it will go a long way to help us to unify our people. Because
And that's Mr. Kai, that is not the problem. I'm not against Ike State. That's engage. Understand where I'm coming from.
okay,
In a very working country, the state they very, very important. Do you get what I'm saying? At this time, I had a young Igbo, then the country have succeeded in EU's brain the by Kawasi and Igbo. With time, you see, we will come back together and we understand ourselves. They will still come back together. But what I'm just saying is, this state that they push now, is it necessary now? It's not necessary now because probably this guy actually have a good intention for creating another state. I quite understand that. Like I said, he might want something good, but at the same time, everybody at the end of the time.
That is why I said to you that I don't have any problem. Though you said you don't have problem either, but the thing is that creating state creation, especially that of Anioma, it will get a long way to solve identity crisis. Whether directly or indirectly, it will get a long way to solve it. Like, do you know that people suffering from identity crisis are not only those that are being carved out from the so-called 5 eastern states? Why are you judging from what she said so far in this video and the one that she said previously? You can see that she's also suffering from identity crisis. People who think that she's more spiritual, more Igbo than other Igbo people. Even in the circle of five states that she see as she perceived to be the real Igbo and all that, she actually see herself as more spiritual than other people in the same 5 states. Do you understand? And she's not alone. Thousands of people are like that somehow. Because, like I said, I could remember when Matakana started, then 2013 to 2012 to 2013. Some people ask him question that do you think that people will listen to you because you are from Abia State? I'm telling you what I know. People ask such questions then. Some even ask him, do you think people will believe you judging by your name? Your name is Namode. Remember Namode Azikiwe? So some funny question was thrown to him then, which I can recall. Do you understand? So it is there. It is there. So when you see people like Ned talking about Anoma, like I've told you my own side of the story. I'm not saying that if you create a normal state, Nigeria will be functionable, that everything will be working. No, but it will get a long way to solve identity crisis, because that Anoma, even the name alone will tell you.
Yeah,
and that will make people from Sabah to feel comfortable dealing, with doing something with their own people. So River Niger shouldn't be a barrier to us, because originally the people from Anoma and the other part of Delta State, Igbo-speaking tribe, Igbo-speaking communities there, they're originally from Igbo land. And the man is telling you, not only him, people from that part of Igbo land, they are telling you that this is what happened to us when we were young. They used to tell us this story. And they have shown to us the same thing, the current one happening in Ikwere today. A man teaching primary school that they are not Igbo. I'm not telling you the one happened. This not happened in the 1960s. This is just within this year, teaching children that they are from Bini, not Igbo. So, in summary, my brother,
I saw that video of the going to the kindergarten people to tell, but this is the damage that they have done. But for my own opinion, it's a welcome development if you wanted another state to make it six whatever they to be with North or this thing. But for me, I don't think that is necessary now. I think that everybody in the East should advocate for the breakup of Nigeria, or anybody that love Ndebai. What they should be doing now is about sitting down in a table to ask Nigeria, do you people still want to be Nigeria? That is number one fundamental thing everybody that loves that country should be advocating for, not state. That's my own opinion.
I understand.
That's my own opinion.
You are correct, but I want us to see it this way that anybody who personal
yeah, I'm like kind of take more confusion. I happen to divide the country now. So go do whether and they belong to maybe.
If they create it, they have solved this idea of we are from Benin. We are from there.
This thing has never been a problem, whether you are from Benin or not. Understand where this thing is coming from.
It is a problem.
No, it's not. It's not. The reason can we get kita na Biafra be function kita. All these people in Ayayo to become Igbo. We want to be Igbo. How many people in America have American passport? Onye di meje monwa or talk on abroad can we a citizen. So the reason why Ojide can ayon the mother come if mother na zachi code or no kwani me na say no Igbo. In a functionable country, are you going to beg somebody to come and become the person that you are? For me, for Ndi Dekamo, where the problem started, I knew why all this thing is like this, because it was an intentional way to divide all of us. After the war, they knew what they were doing by Ikeri Chainjanine. That was what gave Buhari the audacity to call us dot in a circle, because of this problem that we are having now. So if there is no development in the southeast, for instance, now na enwe seaport na buy or enwe trains like ne develop or enwe government present in the southeast. All this thing that they actually created, this cotton accord, I am ikwere ya na-abịa na Anambra abịa yo Okana. Ije na Delta, ihe onye na-ekwukita aka na the state will help to tell on the Anioma that they are Igbo. Ana zi azo Anioma kelo language zi Anioma. I had azo madi Igbo.
Maybe you don't understand the presence of Yoruba people in that Fontas. They are telling them that some of the Yoruba people are arguing that Ishekiri, okay, in Delta State and some other communities belong to them. They are giving, they're trying to write off Igbo people from those Igbo communities.
Is it the land belongs to them or the people belongs to them?
Again, in my fake history. Bishop Ajayi Crowd, Ajayi, whatever they call him, that he's the one that gave you alphabet. That are not the man. Okay, that's another history that they're pushing out there. So when you create that state, if you create that anomalous state, to me, this is my own opinion. I'm not representing anybody. When you create that state, what that means is that people who are struggling, if they are Bini or the Yoruba kingdom from Bini kingdom, from Ile-Ife, from this and that, they will not understand more. They will not see themselves to who they are. With that, and you made mention of something like if we are in control of our land and all that, they will be the one to. You can only say that, like I said before, let's assume that I'm mass number of Kano, that I would have just accept 5 states. Then if I accept that state, then I will not sign contract. That I will not, start dragging the other side later. But once I become a sovereign state, recognized peacefully with Nigeria as an entity, with that 5 states, no problem. Then I will now automatically have access to buy anything that I want to buy, every catapult I want to buy, every craft that I want to buy. I have my military equipment, everything. Then I will now use my state to influence my brothers from the other side to demand, separation from the other side. You understand? Because when they see how good you are, what you are doing, of course, away from an asaf, they would like to be, and you have the blood is already there. This is who they are, but they want to use tactics to drag you out. So this thing they're saying that, oh, you are terrorizing. Nobody would be saying that then. Nobody would have just come out and say you are terrorizing. No, because you are now a well-organized country that you have access to fighter jets, you have access to protect yourself. So everything is you have it on your own. You will go there, car will not go out this car. So I don't know if you I'm not saying you should start fighting, no, but you already have the right as a country to
okay, but I will look at 5 states, like you said. Do you think Ndi Oduduwa Mechazia decide there to move away? Where will those ones you left belong?
You did not leave them. What you did is to start from somewhere.
You want to have my question. Since you want 5 Igbo to take the 5 states in here, right? And tomorrow, Oduduwa and Arewa, because the reason why I said advocate for people need to sit down and talk to themselves. Do we want to stay together? Either Nigeria break into 3.
They don't want to give you the opportunity. I understand what I'm saying. The opportunity is not there for you.
Yeah, that's so. I am a 5 state high. Oduduwa Mecha decide there to get their own, and Arewa decide there. Those ones say happen there. What will they do? Will they join Yoruba land?
That I said the first state does not mean that I will fold my hand. I will not even let them. I will not even wait to do what to be, what to demand. I will influence. I thought that I will influence them to start demanding by themselves. I will influence them to start talking about it. It was my point. So they are not even going to wait for what to do. Once I go, my next target is to influence them. Oh my,
oh
yeah. What about the thing now? So if this issue of arrest, they will just cross the border and stay my country. You what about the thing? The person now, if I feel like I feel like I never PM. I don't have the 5 states. That's amazing. What are the thing now? So by so doing, they have no other choice than to give up. I'm a man.
Anyway, all I'm saying is that sometimes these politicians, whatever they are doing in the country, Nigeria, sometimes I trust any of them, even whether they are doing the right thing or not, because the system of Nigeria, if you are not corrupt, if you are a saint, the system in Nigeria must corrupt you. It must corrupt you. Check out the country. All the system is going down. Every system is going down. Every one of them. Makano, Christian Association of Nigeria, is going down. Corruption everywhere. None. My medical association, everything is going down. Police, road safety. There is no system that is working because somebody that actually answer. Ajwa de Vumahi, how much per kilometer Ijelo Road or Obamba, who were a professor by practice. Afun Bembe Maduku, professor, being a professor by practice. Oh no, Dave Vumahi. Things are just nada. Oh no, I can't go such thing. There is nobody to hold accountable of what is going on in the country. The judiciary is going down to the extent that an ordinary person is teaching a son. Then video I know we post to offer disgrace in the kind of disgrace in about Nabin Tayako doesn't have right to judge his case. If you can see, this man is not a lawyer, you may quit. Okay, my video I post. In a watching the can corner bamba, you don't go know that this man is not a lawyer. A whole son corner where in your own, you don't understand. Or the ordinary person accusing them with the certificate or to be a lawyer and accusing about law. Everything is not working. Nigeria is not working. Basic immunity is government supposed to provide for citizens. None. They are not doing nothing. Toothpick, we don't produce. And the worst thing we can keep culture be na campaign or be a culture na the one each and one sent a vote in there if we be Tolu those here with Dubai na Anambra State. Pia. I have for the Dubai na Anambra State. Obido swakwa ase election na bido kwa again. Osiwa ase the latest has your say na onwere ebe ọrụrụ na ọgwụ a na-ejezi anal treatment for free. Na enwere about 200 patients. Na enwere ndị mee surgery ebe ahụ. Kọchacha si na omecha nye ha transport this thing. Oluwe she just within 24 hours. Ndị mmadụ jee na that hospital. Ruo aza dị ebe ahụ aza.
Soludo, ndị mmadụ misunderstand the Soludo.
Us no email surgery na.
Us ni guy get whatever. Us no about Dubai go. Us no Udo guys. Come on, let me know what another thing.
I know cause na I am. Oh yeah, with Dubai na Anambra. I thought we finish.
Udo guys come that you go. Udo guys come that you.
I cannot sleep off tongue.
I'm not going to Udo guys. You want Dubai? You know what another thing.
Ana say Imambo bido ibu governor. I thought that number to sustain the Aborona street. If that Nigerian character name that now before you locate some people, provide where they will be before you locate your mom. It talk illusion madolo or let's say whatever. Provide there, it's a number to sustain the Aboro from the street that now. Not to provide at least all ebe higher until I lose it and make another transportation system na Anambra. Or made those people nap hollow ke hajiri. Make another thing. That was how everything is turned upside down. And I says just to get a post. When you be on access every system in Nigeria is falling down. Imagine what LT is doing in Abia State. And the following day come with audacity to go and sit there. Somebody come with audacity to come and say we want to take Abia State to APC this thing. And it's just not about the person that is telling the Abia not to take back Abia State, but the people in the Abia State, and Benjamin Kanu Nonako.
Move on.
I don't just understand. Everywhere.
Benjamin kind of it's just all quite the same thing. I can and the people that choose real run for nothing. APC before this Abia State. So if the governor suppose he may be the camp. If I'm governor, I would just the camp to APC. Because okay, here, well.
Anyway, Kawasa, Ikukita more about Nigeria. I could at some point, or this can go on.
If I we are just talking. Even when I get my vote to the election, my hand gonna or Monday quality easy. We already know. So
I think the buy should try. Okay, for I hold to know
many people that against it. Many people that so the election and the book APC man can have just for formality. Because the way things are going now, like both the issue of Mass Namarikano, the economy and Biafran declared and everything, it will not be, I don't see it as a business as usual. Nigeria is pregnant.
Very pregnant though. Very, very, very pregnant.
Very pregnant.
When on a check a revolution happen in Nigeria, the person is joking because these people that you want to it's Kai can work the simplest truth.
Cameroon name process gonna okay for that.
Onya?
Cameroon.
Yeah, after Cameroon no support Iman or Imokobuzi fifele that Napobia cow kana elite Cameroon in this 21st century island, yeah. Amami Hemer in the OG. Imokaka Pobia to campaign. Statue have well cut on designer Pobia na Munye. All coach to campaign. Well, Sisi, bulie afu mo ebe no somebody mo ka di man na anyu ma me man si na akwa kwa idea
Hey.
na public o kwa ha na public enwe one thing word
are there one for are there before the election are there one na one to bring safe food for the papier.
That's the thing. The man no call ekpotali na national TV to speak or the call bansi na akwa. People know na akoko started shifting. A president, and yet if we want that na next election people will not then now gather again and still, even though I know nobody is voting all the way, they just rig themselves. They just want to that before I'm home the guy during the time I'm because I'm 80s. During the time I'm home and this guy I will go president. Not one me actually the whole time.
Now wow.
The whole time up until now, have one power. It's all have power. Oh, people of Cameroon, know how I call it because now if they actually allow this to happen again, even the ones that Hana cheating, Anna Tinihantani Katapulunka as well. Hana fight for, but they just have to break the cycle. It's okay. They have to do like Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, Mugabe. They didn't arrest Mugabe. They went to Mugabe. Jide Mugabe, see an ozugo. Ndị amị Zimbabwe man. See Mugabe. I am allow Ziggy to be doing this thing. It's time to get down. You can call it coup or not, but Hatopo here welo obodo. Ewelo Mugabe doing one house. See an orkene. Because half good that none mekuzi remembering and forgetting. How can you lead a country when you don't even remember your last speech? And yet they don't want they don't want to move. They want to be in the power. Some things these guys don't understand. Okay, for the era of phone, Putan, the kids are now moketa. They're very different. I'm telling you, the kids are now they're very different from Mbamolo people like me. On the 90s, beginning of 90s, all the very different. Even what I clear moketa, Epota, your brain will start developing by knowing that there is something called phone. Mbamorai, village then we have to allow no naja. Jesi ni aja, you know, chijie anwa neti apụtakọ akụkọ iho. Onwere ụmụazị amụ kịta aka maka akụkọ iho. Onwere ndị ka na-aka. Ama m yọta what I'm saying. Mana mgbe ahụ anyị chere nepụta anọkọta otu a na onye ọ na-akọ iho chakpi all those kind of a thing. Enwere we engage ourselves.
The new one we'll call
So you feel that now they are quite different, and by the moment is a key in Makesia operate the phone, the brain started functioning from what they saw. And they put ebido from phone, you can operate the phone. And maybe your phone without you knowing about that thing. So this thing is actually happening, but they just keep denying that it's not happening because change is a very difficult thing actually. It's because but when you change, if that there might be a better option where you are going to. So when this thing is happening na the state. Now, when this thing is happening, these people find it difficult to actually cue in the recent development. You know, that is the problem. They don't want to accept now where change go that they have to follow up, and you will see that this thing will keep happening all over Africa. Check out how many countries escalate to go for on a mebu before. Most of the country in Africa, they know that a revolution. Revolution had to happen like this for a long time, but everybody will go wake up. Okay, for that now we're already finishing. We're already at the end of the tunnel. So how could they call you Nukwana? Therefore, I have body that country. Oh, I bought BB for a human Nigeria will BB for a sane people, sane community, sane people. You know, thank you very much.
Oh.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. God bless you, my brother. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. So, oh God, it's good tomorrow. All right, my people, we have come to an end. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. God bless all of you that joined with me, that started with me rather, and you are still here. I really appreciate it. Please make sure you like the video before you go. Good night to you all. See you tomorrow. Veronica, you are just joining us and you are ending. I see you, my sister. How is life? I hope all is well with you. God bless you. Thank you all. Thank you, Obi-Wan. See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye-bye.